Well, hello everyone. Just sitting here on our dock looking out over beautiful Smith Lake on a somewhat overcast day, thinking about how to introduce this video. Charmaine and I are pretty much home for the summer after enjoying Alumapalooza, StitchCon, and our Australian cruise, and while awaiting our upcoming Mediterranean, transatlantic, and Cuba cruises. In the meantime, we're enjoying Smith Lake with family and friends, and planning camping trips to the Smoky Mountains in Lower Michigan. So please subscribe to be notified of those future postings. Feel free to leave any comments or ideas, and click the thumbs up icon if you like the videos. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy the video. Y'all come back. What are we gonna do, Luke? We're gonna jump in the water? And swim forever. Okay. You think the water's cold? You gonna get used to it? Aren't you gonna wear a vest, James? Uh-oh, caught. You're caught. Look at this guy. Show off. Okay, 1, 2, 2.5. Oh, 3. You gonna run and jump?
It's not cool, James.
1, 2, 2.5. 1, 2, 3. Is it cold?
No.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm cold. Okay, Luke, tell us what happened. Got stung by a wasp? Mm-hmm. Where at?
Show Grandpa my toe.
Your toe? Oh, look at that. It's swollen. But you know, you found the nest and we killed them.
That's what I said. There's probably a nest down here.
So somebody had to go first. Are you going to go first the next time?
Just shy.
Are you going to be shy on me now? Yeah. Okay.
Show Grandpa your arm muscle.
Oh, no
Look at
wonder
how
those.
strong they
No
are.
wonder those wasps.
Let me feel, Lukey. Do it again. Oh man.
What you got here? What are these?
Those are bites. Don't
Mosquito
touch them.
bites?
Grammy already put stuff on them.
My goodness, they love
No,
you.
he got those at home.
Look
So
at
I
the
guess he got
muscles.
mosquitoes.
Look
I
at the
know
muscles.
how bad.
And we have Yelena. So hi Yelena. Jeremy.
Hi.
Charmaine.
Hi, honey. I got all my kids here. I'm so happy.
And,
Aren't you?
and James and Scott.
I got all my kids. Everybody.
Wait to the camera. And this is Smith Lake. That's about 12, 14 feet.
You having fun?
Is that the doggy paddle? Or the Lukey paddle? Gonna do a cannonball?
Granny, watch out! I'm doing a cannonball. Watch out!
Say hi, Luke.
Where you going, Scott? New lands?
Ed, you're doing 100% better.
You need to take some beer with you?
And sandwiches.
Helga.
Helga?
Brunhilde.
Ava.
Hey, you back already, Scott?
I think she's a mystery. Nobody's seen her.
No, I'm jumping.
Okay, so that's Lily and Mila?
Mila.
Mila.
Mila has the vest on.
Mother and daughter.
I've never done the whole diaper thing. Do you have to be out of the water to do it?
I don't know. I've never done it either.
Surfer poodles.
Those doggies, Luke?
Yeah. Want to
Okay, here's
You
Luke.
sit?
Oh,
jump on?
do you want to hop on?
Yeah.
Get away from the dock so you're safe.
Who's that surfer dude?
Okay, go.
Say Luke Howell.
Okay, hop a squat. Go down low.
Hi, Mom.
Whoa, you're okay. Have fun. Tell her sit. Good.
Oh, that's so cute.
Good.
And you didn't have to do anything. That's cute.
Hey, James. No, stop. Okay, Alex, I think we need to take
Any last words?
Yeah.
Been nice knowing you. Bye. See you later.
Yeah.
Next stop is California. Up front we have the Howell Beauties. Well, we're not saying anything yet, Elena, but what can... Okay, Elaine, any last words? Take it easy, is that what you said? Go fast? Go fast? Go hard.
Go hard or go home, she said.
Okay. Okay, Captain Luke, you got it under control?
Say yes, Grandpa.
Say, get to work, Swabby.
Careful, stop.
Yo, what up, YouTube? This is Larry Howell coming at you from Smith Lake.
This is it. Are you skiing yet?
Stand up. Stand up. About 20 times to get up the first time. That rope will come right to you. Go. Hammer it, Dad. Oh, she almost had it. Oh, stop. That time. All right, you ready? Okay, Dad, hit it. She's up, she's up. Oh, yeah! Yep. Here we go. All right. Yep. Ready? All right, here we go. cross. Stop.
Thank you guys, and you can go.
Just push him to me.
Has anybody gotten up on the pontoon yet?
It's fun once you
Elena.
get up. The first couple times you'll just stay behind the boat, and then the next time you'll get confident and you'll start getting outside the wake and swinging around a little bit.
So what do you have to say for yourself after your first time skiing?
I'm sorry, I'm a failure. Shame.
Shame on you.
You're not a failure.
Well, are you gonna give up? Are you gonna try again?
Of course I'm gonna try again.
Okay, that's good.
I'm gonna get it.
Okay, well,
Better than I did. Remember
we
Get
believe
this
in
camera
you.
out of my face.
Yeah, okay.
How many times did I?
Oh, are we gonna sing?
Yeah, we can get it all in there.
Scott, get a leg.
Everybody say hi.
From Gold Island Brewery.
Hi, Internet.
Oh, the whole family and Miss PJ.
I sure hope we go viral.
Well, here comes Dean and Valerie. And their retro RV. There we all are.
Hi, everybody.
Ellie's got a giant coffee log.
Another day on the lake.
Just another hard day at work.
Oh, you put it down.
When the world seems to shine like you had
Too much
Say hello. Where'd Maurice go? Maurice is hiding?
I like that.
This is sea level.
Sea level. Hold her. Oh, get that one. Look at Lily kissing her.
She just wants to rest.
No, she just thought she saw another dog with a furry face. Hey, Lily.
Hey, Maurice.
How you doing? Good to see you, man. Good to see you in the water, on the land, everywhere.
Larry, get Kristen and Peter and Stephanie and Lily. Oh, Lily.
And Lily. I got Lily.
And then Lily.